What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. As you all know, today we got our first major exchange listing, and as everyone's seen, it was a 30% jump off of that one listing on the first day, and not even everyone can even buy it yet on the actual listing. So yes, we were listed to Huobi. I think that's how you say it, Huobi or something like that. But yeah, we were listed to that exchange. Very big. I'm going to be talking about the technical analysis today and our possible listings that are going to be coming in the future for Baby Doge. So, anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. And if you want to actually support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. It'll be greatly appreciated. And as always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So look, the bulls are actually in control of the 24-hour market control by 60%. So remember, Baby Doge, it was showing that we were 100% bearish when we actually hit this area down here at the 2.8 area. When we went all the way down there, it was showing that we're 100% bearish. But now you see all of this bearish movement stopped. All of that selling pressure stopped. And now we're going on some more buying pressure. Now we are having some selling pressure because we have hit this area right here of less demand in the supply and demand areas. Now, I will be going over these technicals right after we go over our exchange listing. So let's go over that now because this is our first major exchange listing. So it's really big for us. So Huobi is the sixth largest exchange according to CoinMarketCap. So that's pretty big right there. So as you can see, the first is being Binance, the second Coinbase, third FTX, fourth Kraken, fifth Qcoin, and then you got Huobi Global, and then you have Bitfinex. So that's definitely a pretty big that we're on the sixth biggest exchange here, and that's by what CoinMarketCap says. So actually, we can go over to CoinMarketCap right now, and we could probably look at that and see where all these different exchanges are. So it's somewhere in here. I don't know where it actually is. I don't know where to find it. Okay, yeah, here it is. Exchanges. So right here, Huobi, number 6, the sixth largest exchange. Crypto.com all the way down here at the 11th. Gemini over here at the 12th. Then we got all these other exchanges. But yeah, this is actually pretty big for us because after Huobi just now listed us, we can quite possibly see Qcoin maybe, Kraken, Coinbase, FTX, Binance, you name it. We're going to have so many different listings coming in for us very soon. So there's all these other ones that we also could get listed on, all these smaller ones. OKCoin's a pretty good exchange. They have they do have fees, but it's like very, very little fees. You can actually trade, they have an actual exchange on there. So there's a lot of different exchanges that we could get listed to. Like, just think about all the different areas of revenue that we can get from these exchanges. You got to look at 24-hour trading volume for the exchanges. So Huobi has 1.3 billion in 24-hour trading volume. That's going to help us increase our market cap and volume. So that's just in 24-hour trading volume. Now, if you look at the liquidity, it also has some pretty good liquidity, average liquidity, and the weekly visits, 2.3 million weekly visits. And then the market's 1083 coins, 435 coins on there. Now Baby Doge is on there as well. So 47 plus currencies on there accepted. So there's a lot that we can possibly get from this listing here, just based off of this volume, 1.3 billion in volume. Like, that's huge right there. Now the volume is down. All these exchanges are pretty much down, other than Bitstamp, but everything's pretty much down in volume right now because everything's going down right now. Even like Bitcoin, if you look at everything inside the market, everything's on the downside, everything's downtrending. But everything but Baby Doge up 30%. So everything but Baby Doge is pretty much downtrending. Now, something else that you also got to look at this currency.com. It's up 185.98% in trading volume, now at 2.1 billion. So I'm definitely interested to know why they just now kind of took off like that. They maybe just now listed something that was really big. But imagine if we get listed to something like this. Imagine if we get listed to Coinbase. Like, imagine like all of this money inside of Binance. Like, that's 12.3 billion in 24-hour trading volume. That's every single day, $12.3 billion. And that's on the low side. That's 20% down from what it's usually at. So that's very, very low. So it could be 20% more than this. And then over here, Coinbase all the way down to 2.7 billion in trading volume. So imagine just getting listed to these top exchanges. Imagine getting listed to Qcoin at 1.8 billion. So all of this compounds, like literally all of these different exchanges, as we continue to get on more and more exchanges, that's just going to compound. It's going to add on top of, like, literally is going to be like a little domino effect. Like one exchange lists us, and then every single exchange starts to list Baby Doge. So that's probably how we're going to see it happen inside Baby Doge. But anyways, yeah, this is pretty big. The number 6 largest exchange here. And as you can see, our burns have actually been speeding up. We burned $158,000 today, which is 41.13 trillion coins, just because of all this new stuff that we got. So that's 5,000 new holders today as well. As you can see, the trading volume is also increasing as well. $86 million in trading volume. So when yesterday we actually, like before the listing, we only had about 12 million in trading volume. So you can see that in my video yesterday. But now we have 86 million trading volume, all the way back up to 960 million market cap. So we're seeing lots of movements here with Baby Doge. We're seeing lots of money coming into Baby Doge, and we're also seeing a lot of whales doing a lot of different movements. Now, I just now closed that, but I actually wanted to show the whales. So let's bring back up Whale Watcher Finance real quick. Okay, so while that loads up, I want to show a few other things with Baby Doge. So over here, you can see this whole listing, and that's not what I want to bring up actually. And yeah, the listings are already here, all that good stuff. But look, 973,000 followers here on Twitter. That's a lot of people right there. So even right here, we're still trending on the side of Twitter. So we're literally getting money from everywhere. And this just so happens to show Qcoin right under Baby Doge. So this could be a hint that Qcoin may be adding us very soon. And actually, there was someone on the Baby Doge Army Reddit that said something that was pretty smart. So I actually want to go over there and show that. They were pretty much saying how when Sheep got listed to Huobi, immediately after that, we were listed, well, Sheep was listed to Qcoin, and then something else literally immediately after Huobi. So the fact that that happened with Sheep, what if that can happen with Baby Doge? What if now that we got the Huobi listing, all these other different exchanges are going to look at this as like, they're going to look at this as competition. They're going to want to get in on this. So I definitely think something big could be happening. And I think maybe that was inside of our Telegram group. So if you're not inside the Baby Doge Telegram, then you definitely want to join it. We have a very good group of people in there, and they're mentioning a lot of stuff on there. Shout out to also 243 as well for posting this on here. But yeah, I would probably have to look through here and find it. But yeah, someone mentioned how with Sheep, oh yeah, right here. So yeah, when Sheep got listed to Huobi, immediately 2 days after, it got listed to Qcoin, and then one day after it got listed to crypto.com, and then another day after it got listed to Binance, and then the same day it got listed to Binance, it got listed to FCX, and then so on and so forth. So shout out to Austin for listing this. So this could be the same thing with Baby Doge. Like we could see tomorrow Qcoin, we could see tomorrow Binance. We could just see these exchanges rolling in, because a lot of people are saying we can't get listed to major exchanges because of our tokenomics. Yet we just now got listed to a major exchange. And like it or not, OKX is also a pretty big exchange, and we're there. Gate.io, that's also a pretty big exchange, and we're there. So we're about to see a whole list of different exchanges listing Baby Doge literally left and right. So we're about to see huge movements of volume coming into Baby Doge very soon. Now, we're already seeing this. So the first thing that you want to look at is this whale right here. So this whale right here, I always talk about this whale. They still got the Binance pegged USD, the BSC USD, just chilling there inside stable coins, waiting for good prices to buy in. So what did they do? They bought in. So they bought $266,000 of Baby Doge, which came out to 66.58 trillion Baby Doge. So this is pretty much what we're seeing here. Let me go back over here to the transfers. So this is only a 19.7 billion sale. But look, total today, all the stuff they've been buying, all these trillions, they just kept buying. And eventually it led to 266.6 trillion, not trillion, thousand, $266,000 in Baby Doge. Now we do have lots of sales from these different whales here, 30K on this whale wallet. And then a few of the other whale wallets also did some selling, pretty much because we had a pump. So obviously you're going to get some whales that sell off that pump, and they're probably going to do something like buy a brand new house with that money. But look, they're putting that money into stable coins. Now, I always show this whale wallet as well. This whale wallet, I believe, is the Gate.io whale wallet. Let me see. Click there. Yep. This is Gate.io. So Gate.io sold some of their baby Doge, but that's pretty much just happens because whenever people sell, whenever we have a pump, Gate.io is then forced to sell as well. So you can even see that here on the Vital Oscillator. You can see selling happening. We are starting to get some more buying. You can see that is leaving the selling pressure is like actually going into an uptrend in upwards moving pattern. We're actually going into buying patterns here. So we were selling off right down here because we hit this area of less demand, but now we're actually buying back in. So we're seeing less more buying happening. Now, on top of that, we have this whale wallet here. So this whale right here, 2.3 million. This is an actual whale. This is not an exchange. This is a whale holding baby Doge. They did sell a lot of baby Doge, 342K worth of baby Doge, but we still have other whales buying huge baby Doge as well, 49.13K right here, or a trillion baby Doge, which comes out to $196,000. So that's a lot of money in baby Doge. And this whale wallet right here is not a whale, or not. I mean, they're not an exchange either. They're definitely a big whale inside of baby Doge. All they do is buy baby Doge. They don't sell. They just buy. And we're seeing a lot of the whales like this doubling down on this pump that we're about to have. I definitely believe that the pump is probably going to continue to go into next week. So we're probably going to continue to pump there. And we're almost at 179 quadrillion burnt so far. So that's definitely pretty good as well. Now, moving on from there, we got 1.42 million holders in baby Doge. But like I said, let's do some technicals here. So very briefly, we actually hit this area here that has the more demand area. I'm trying to actually move this to the side, but all right, here it is. All right, having little technical issues there. So anyways, over here we can see baby Doge started to have that green area of more demand coming in, but it was short-lived. So now what we're seeing is a downtrend back down to this support level maybe. So we have the more demand areas down here around our 3 area, and that's pretty much our support. And then all the way up here, we have our resistance around 4.2. So if baby Doge cannot break above 4.2, you will see baby Doge pull back down to this support right here, right before it tries to pretty much go back on an uptrend. Now, if we can't do that and we get rejected again, then you'll see baby Doge go down to this 3.6 area and eventually back down to 3.2 if we can't do that. But we're not even looking at the bearish movements. Like, we literally just got listed to a major exchange, so we're bullish right now. That would just be like if for some reason everyone just started to dump baby Doge, that would be pretty much what happens. We'd probably do a pullback like that. But now, what you really want to look at is the possible uptrend that we could be having here for baby Doge. So moving on to the next thing here, let's just kind of zoom out a little bit. I know I'm trying to bring this into a better point of view here because for some reason I used the mobile version of this, the mobile version of TradingView, and it kind of messed up my chart a little bit. I don't like how the chart looks on mobile, but it really messed it up because I was trying to look at it at work because I seen baby Doge pumping. But anyways, what we could see next coming for baby Doge would pretty much be a pump up to the 4.2 area, actually somewhere up around 4.2, because that's pretty much where our supply and demand stops us at, of less demand. So once we get past this 4.2 area, we will actually end up hitting this resistance at 4.4. And then once we get past the 4.4, you'll probably still pull back down to 4.2 before it pumps out of 4.4. Now, I believe we're about to go on a huge uptrend here. I think the uptrend is huge. I thought we were going to go down all the way down to 2.4, but it ends up that we just stopped at 2.8. We were projected to go down to 2.4 though. I'm not going to lie. We were projected to go down to 2.4. The only reason we went all the way up to 2.8 is because of the exchange listing. So we wouldn't have went, above 2.8 is because of exchange listing. We would have went way below the 2.8 area down to 2.4 if we didn't have this listing. So that pretty much takes us out of the doghouse there. So we may see baby Doge start to pump here, get way above this 4.4 area, and then eventually pump all the way up to 5.1, 5.2 before we have a little bit of a pullback and try to break that next area and try to break our all-time highs. So we will see a nice little pump coming in here very soon for baby Doge. This is just the beginning of it. Literally, it's the first day of the exchange listing, but usually it pumps days and days after the exchange listing. And even if we did a pullback here, we have so much demand for baby Doge around 3.2 that we probably wouldn't even fall below 3.2. We probably stop here and then just start the pump back up here, just because all the demand that Baby Doge is pretty much built up around those areas. But anyways, we definitely are going to continue to pump. You just gotta stay. You just gotta stay like I want to say you gotta stay like diamond hands, but a lot of people aren't going to do that. Let's be completely honest. Like we just now showed it, a lot of the whales that we're selling, but I don't think everyone's gonna like diamond hands this 100% all the way until we get to our target area of our all-time high all the way up here at 6.3. I feel like people are probably going to end up selling out once they see Baby Doge hit the 5.152 area, and then we'll probably see that pullback back down to 4.4. And then after that, that's when we can try to pump above our new all-time high, our old all-time high, and we'll probably end up getting another listing as well. So we're gonna have like a whole compound effect where exchanges just list us back to back to back to back to back, and then the FOMO comes out. You've seen Baby Doge trending on Twitter, 100,000 tweets in one day on Twitter, and on top of that, we had the whole Qcoin thing trending right under Baby Doge. So Qcoin, what if Qcoin comes tomorrow? I mean, I mentioned this on my previous video that Qcoin could be listing Baby Doge very soon. So this could happen, and this is like 100%. No, I wouldn't say 100% that happen, but this could happen because remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, so nothing could be 100%. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what coins you want me to go over next. I will be going over different coins. A lot of people have been talking about Cheem's Inu, so I will go over that. And then some people have been talking about XRP. So I'll go over a lot of different coins. But also, yeah, just let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you do want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description, and it'll be greatly appreciated. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.